Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Thursday, June 23rd. It is the 174th day of the year. There are 191 days left. Happy National Hydration Day.
The games get intense under the hot summer sun. On June 23rd, National Hydration Day reminds us to replace fluids lost in the heat of battle. The human body contains more than 60% water. Maintaining that balance while training is a challenge, and doing it during the summer months is a practice that must be consistent. Becoming overheated or dehydrated can lead to many health issues. You can help prevent dehydration by being hydrated before a workout even begins. This essential step goes a long way to a more effective workout. If you're underhydrated before you start, maintaining or catching up on hydration becomes difficult once the sweating starts. Drink plenty of fluids throughout the training too. Fluids can also include sports drinks that contain electrolytes to replenish the essential minerals the body loses during perspiration. After the workout, continue replacing your fluids. Whether you're an athlete or not, everybody needs to stay hydrated on these hot summer days. Drink plenty of fluids and make it part of your daily routine. Today is also National Pink Day, National Porridge Day, National Typewriter Day, and Women in Engineering Day. It's time for super spectacular shout-outs. Shout-outs today go out to Joy and everyone in the Secondary Adult Education Program at San Diego Community College Continuing Education at the Arc of San Diego in San Diego, California. Our second shout-out goes out to Mrs. R and everyone in the Special Day Class Intensive at San Ysidro High School in San Ysidro, California. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you loved your shout-outs. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout-out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated, super spectacular shout-out map.
Okay, National Dayers, so I have to be honest with you. Sometimes it's really hard to get all of the water in every day that I'm supposed to. I think water can be kind of boring, and so I have a hard time drinking it sometimes. Now when it's really hot, no problem. Nice glass of cold water, I'm good to go. So Mr. Erickson got me this really cool thing right here. It's called a Soda Stream, and if I take just a regular bottle of water, I filled this up from my refrigerator, and I put it right in here. And I hope I do this right. I think I know what I'm doing. And then I pump. You hear how loud it is? It actually puts bubbles in my water. Look, I'll show you. Glass, water, bubbles. Isn't that amazing? All right, National Dayers, whatever you need to do today to get some hydration in your body, do it, because it is getting warm outside and we need to keep our beautiful bodies hydrated. Keep smiling, have a thoughtful Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Cheers.